Socializing 12. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1987, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised to treat people with good character. This is extremely important, as good character will be the heaviest thing in the scales of Judgment Day. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2003. One should adopt this by learning and acting on the character of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which is the character taught by the Holy Quran. Through this one will replace their negative characteristics with good ones. Those who mistreat others, even if they fulfill their duties to Allah, the Exalted, will find that on Judgment Day their good deeds are given to their victim, and if necessary their victim's sins will be given to them. This might cause them to be hurled into hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579.